Hello all. This is Kiran from Terrascent Materials. I'm here to ask 75 lakhs for 9% equity. Terrascent is a nascent startup in the field of developing advanced functional materials. So the problem we are addressing is transmission of diseases or microbes through common contact surfaces. Common contact surfaces, including textiles, provide a large hosting surface area for bacteria and viruses, benefiting the carryover. They can remain active for days to months on the surfaces. So businesses like hospitals, hotels, restaurants, cafes, textile manufacturers, and local service-oriented businesses like offline businesses like salons, gyms, where different people come in contact with touch with common contact surfaces, shall pay us for the product we offer as an antiviral protection. Coming to the solution is antiviral coating on surfaces. So patent pending technology uses carbon nanotech for killing microbes on surfaces. Our coating is biodegradable and works against bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19. It can be dip coated or sprayed on surfaces, making them immune to further spread. We recently got our validation from the Bombay Textile Research Association, showing 99.99% bacterial reduction on the fabric surface. The durability of the coating is 20 mild washes, and more tests and validation is going on as we speak. So coming to how it works, the moment any viral particle comes in contact with the treated surface, our unique formulation in the coating instantly breaks down the virus. The killing mechanisms include denaturation of nucleic acids, membrane disruption due to electrostatic forces, and ion-mediated killing mechanisms. Yeah, there are a few companies working on similar lines like Muse Nanobots, Hecol, and a Swiss company called as Hike. Our invention overcomes the limitations in the field of surface coatings, providing protection against both bacteria and antibacterial and antiviral properties. We are different in terms of the technology we use, and our core coating composition is not limited to any particular surface, unlike others. Our additives are versatile and can be incorporated into multiple systems like metal surfaces, wall paints, furniture, plastics, packaging, etc. Coming to why us? We want you to invest in us because the pandemic has positively impacted the antimicrobial surface coatings industry. Demand in industries like hospitals, protective clothing, public places, and household appliances surged in the recent times. Our timing is appropriate, and we have a good market size growing at around CAGR of 14% globally. Trend is also in the favor. Behavior of consumers became more hygienic and health conscious. We have scalability of the technology, a good team, and finally value in the product we serve. We're a team from different backgrounds, and relevant mentors are on board for us, for guiding us in the right technical direction. I come from material science background from IIT Kanpur. I have been in the startup ecosystem, working with different startups incubated at SISC IIT Kanpur for the last 6 years after my graduation. My co-founder Asia did her PhD in chemistry from IIT Bombay. Me and Asia were working at IIT Kanpur with startups, and we started this together. Coming to the ask, I'm asking you 75 lakhs to successfully commercialize my technology and take this to market. Though our technology has cross-functional industrial applications, we wish to focus initially on protective medical clothing as a niche because we got some good feedback from the textile manufacturers, as well as it is needed in the settings like hospitals, hotels, etc. Coming to the budget, most of the expenses are operational in nature, which helps us to get to our next milestone for the next 30 weeks. This is what you get. I'm giving you in return 9% equity in the venture. Our business model is going to be B2B, where we manufacture and sell coating material to the businesses. Our revenue model can also be in the form of offering a product or service. Once we commercialize our product, we'll raise follow-up funding maybe after 1 year down the line and scale our business. Yes, I think I'm done here and open to you all.
If you can just stop share screen. So Kiran, do you have any idea of how this product could possibly be priced comparative to other products, say simple bleach?
Okay, compared to simple bleach, so first of all, this bleach or kind of a Dettol, a persistent manual contamination is always possible after you clean it once. Let's say when I provide my coating on the surfaces, it stays for 3 months, maybe on the hot surfaces, and there is no need for cleaning it again and again. And the pricing, frankly speaking, we haven't thought enough about the pricing models and all. But yeah, we have an idea like it is going to be comparatively cheaper than other competitors, like let's say in this field.
Any questions from the panel?
I have one question. Kiran, have you done any biocompatible testing?
I mean, you mean cytotoxicity, something like that?
Cytotoxicity, yes, but mainly like when I say biocompatibility, how safe is it on humans? How safe is it on pets?
Yes.
Yes, it does its job in terms of being able to kill bacteria and viruses, but
Yes.
how safe is it for humans and pets?
Yes. So as you speak, I mean, cytotoxicity tests and these tests are going on right now as you speak at the Institute of Life Sciences at Bhubaneswar. So the idea behind this whole product is that we wanted to develop an antimicrobial food packaging material. You know, the whole idea, I mean, the whole concept started with that thing. We wanted to introduce this into the food packaging segment where, you know, kind of there is no kind of disruption in the supply chain or maybe in other things. That's where it started, and we have now come at a place where we are sure enough, and all these materials, all the raw materials that we're using, they are themselves biodegradable independently. They're safe, and we are also using plant extracts instead of, you know, harmful and toxic chemical reagents to enhance its antibacterial properties.
Okay. So, but you are getting cytotoxicity testing done, but
Yes,
you don't
yes.
have the results yet.
No, not yet. But
Okay. And you have not done any full-blown biocompatibility testing yet.
no, sir, not full blown. But initial validation is being done by, you know, BTRA for textiles.
Okay.
What kind of patent have you applied for and when?
So my patent, this is a provisional patent. I applied on August 19th of this year, and the moment I get all the validation results, I think the patent will be completed. It's a product patent basically, which involves the innovative elements and all the claims, like how and what is effective towards and what kind of microbes it is effective towards.